I love how easy this is to just pick up and go with it. We use it all over the place. We have an RV, we take it camping with us. My son uses it in his room, and it's durable and sturdy, but also it's not too heavy, so we can do that easily. And it just is really great because it offers heating and cooling, super easy to use. Again, you have all these different outlets here, so if you're going to use solar panels, you can plug it in your outlets at home. And then it's just super easy to use, so I'm just going to power it on and just show you some of the functions. It's going to start operating right away, and you're going to notice that it does operate quietly. So I love that about it. Not too loud. You have your different modes here. So that's the max mode. You have a night mode, the eco-friendly mode. There's the air. And again, the max for the air. And then you can control your temperature here, down or up. And then your fan speed, low, medium, or high. So even on high, it is super quiet, very effective. It takes no time at all to get the room cooled down. So very, very happy.
Thing is terrible. And to prove that it's terrible, I have two of them. I had started to return on this one because this one wasn't working. The LED light wasn't working on it, nor was it getting cold. So I ordered another one before I returned that one, and this one doesn't work neither. Now, to give you an idea, this is the size of the room that I'm trying to cool. It's a gazebo. It's not a big room. It's outside. I have exhaust vents and everything hooked up, directly powered to a power outlet. And this thing is still 97 degrees in here. It just doesn't get cold. For the price that they're asking, this is not worth it. I highly advise people to avoid this device because you're spending a lot of money to get literally no output whatsoever. This is on max setting and it's still 96 degrees in this small gazebo. It's not super huge. So it's closed in. I have no reason why this room isn't even remotely cold yet.